me, Selena. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be singing Set Fire to the Rain by Adele. And before I start, I am sorry that I haven't been posting in a while because my exams are next week. Yeah. But also, again, before we start, I am going to be posting later a cover of BTS Dynamite. So stick around for that. Okay, anyways, let's get straight into the video. I let fall my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark and it was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true. And the games you played, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch you warm as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. When I'm laying with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel here forever. You and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true. And the games you played, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch you warm as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw goes to Bea. Hi Bea. Thank you for subscribing, liking my videos, and ringing the tiny little bell and turning on your post notifications so that every time I post a new video, you're notified. Make sure to do the same so that you guys can also get a shout out. That is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, ring the tiny little bell, turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every single time I post a new video. That's all. See you guys tomorrow. Bye!